Good morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to explain block 13 percentage, S2 and S3. Fractions in S2 fractions, decimal and percentage, S3 percentage of quantity. Okay, first I'll ask you what is 1/4 and half and 3/4. Children, I'll explain with the help of what is 1/4. 1/4, half and 3/4. As decimal and percentage. Okay, 1/4 with the help of figure I'll show you children. 1/4 means I will write as decimal and percentage. First I'll draw one figure. One whole I'll take. I'll divide. How many parts you will divide? We have to divide children. 4 parts. 4 parts I'll take. Divide. And one part I'll shade it. Okay, this is one whole. 4 parts. One part I shaded. So in one whole I'll take as percentage. This is full one whole 100%. So 100% I divided 4 parts. So 4 parts. Each part is how much children? Each part is how much? 25, 25, 25, 25. So it is how much percentage? 25 percentage. So how will write in decimal? 0.25. So how much? How will write in percentage? 25 by 100. Okay. Now you understood children. Now I'll take half. 1/2. So in one whole I'll divide how many parts? 2 parts. One part I'll shade it. So one whole is 100%. If you one part if you shade, each part is how much? 50, 50. So it is how much percent? 50%. We'll write in decimal 0.50. How will in percentage? How much percentage? 50 divided by 100. So you know children, this is percentage form, this is decimal form, this is a fraction form. Now I'll take 3/4. 3/4. How many parts? We have divided 4 parts. 3 parts. I'll shade it. If we divide 4 parts, each part is how much? 25, 25, 25. So now how much percentage? 75%. So in decimal we'll write 0.75. This is 75 by 100. Okay children. Take out your workbook. We'll do now workbook sums children. Page number 26. Date 17/11/2020. S2 fractions, decimals and percentages. First question, convert the following fractions to decimal and percentages. Here they gave table, fraction, decimal, percentage. A bit 1/4. 1/4 you have to write in decimal and percentage. Children, if you confuse, you draw in this is rough column and 1/4. So one take one whole. How many parts you'll divide? 4 parts. So 1/4, one part you shade it. So if you 100%, if you divide 4 parts, each part is 25, 25, 25, 25. So in percentage, how much percentage children? 25%. In decimal, how will write? 0.25. Now B1 half. So divide half. One part shaded. Half means how much percent? 50%. In decimal 0.50. C bit 3/4. 3/4 means 4 parts. Divide 3 parts, shade it. So each part is how much? 100. If we divide 4 parts, each part is 25, 25, 25, 25. So 3 parts you shaded. So how much per decimal, in decimal how will write? 0.75. So 75%. Okay, now you see children, D bit 1/5. So in one whole, this is one whole you take as 100%. How many parts you have to divide? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 parts, how many parts you shade? 1%. If 100, if we divide 5 parts, each part is how much children? 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 5 20s is equal to 100%. So now how much percentage it is? 1 part we shaded. This is 20%. So in decimal we'll write 0.20. So it is 20%. E bit, F bit you do it as homework. Z bit 4/5. Again you divide 5 parts in one whole. 4 parts, shade it. If you divide 5 parts, each part is how much children? 5 20s. 20, 20, 20, 20 is 4 parts you shaded. So 4 20s is equal to how much? 80. So this is 4/5 fraction. If we write 4/5 means 0.80. How much percentage? 80%. Second bit, Suman got 65 out of 75 marks. What percentage did she score? See, marks Suman scored is equal to 65 marks out of 75. So how will that? You have to find the percentage. So 65 divided by 75 into 100. You cancel 75 and 100. So 5 15s are 5 20s are. How if 75 you cancel 5 15s are? See children, I divided here 75. 5 1s are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 15s are 75. 5 20s are 100. Now 15 and 20. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So now we can't cancel children. Now 65 into 4 divided by 3. 65 into 4 is 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 6 4s are 24. 25 26. 260 divided by 3. So 260 divided by 3, divide children you. 260. 3 8s are 24. 2 is remaining. Bring down 0. 3 6s are 18 minus 2.0. Again 3 6s are 18. Again 2. So she got 86.6%. Third bit, do it as homework children. S3, percentage of a quantity. First question, find the given percentage of the quantity. A bit 20% of 200. 20%. 20 means what? Your 20% means you have to divide by 100. 20 divided by 100 into 200. Of 200. Of means you have to multiply children. Now simplifier. 100 ones are 100 twos are. So 20 into 2 is equal to 40. So 40 is the answer. Next, B bit, 40% of 500. 40% of 500. What you will do, children? 40%. 40 divided by 100. Remove percentage symbol and divide it 100 of into 500. So 100 ones are 100 fives are. So 40 into 5 is equal to 200%. 200 is the answer. Now 80% of 1 by 4. 80% of 1 by 4 I'll do here, children. C bit. 80% means you divide by 100. Remove percentage symbol and divide by 100 into 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 20s are. 4 ones are 4 20s are 80. Now 20 ones are 20 5s are. So 1 into 1, 5 ones are 5. 1 by 5 is the answer. So this D bit, do it as homework, children. E bit I'll show you. 20% of 15.50. So how will do, children, this? 20, remove percentage symbol, 20 divided by 100 into 15.50. I'll write as, children, 1550 I'll take. Here after decimal 2 zeros are there. So I'll remove the decimal point. I'll write 100 here. Because after decimal point 2 zeros are there. So 2 zeros I'll write here, children. Now cancel it this. Suppose if you having numerator and denominator zeros, if you having, cancel 0 0. Here also you'll get 0 0 0, cancel it. Now 2 ones are 2 fives are. Now 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. 5 ones are 5. So 31 by, here 10 is there. So 1 into 31 divided by 1 into 10. So 31 divided by 10. Find, divide 31 in divided by 100. Sorry, 10. 10 threes are 30. 1.0. 10 ones are 10. 0. So answer is 3.1 is the answer. Second bit, write what percentage of the circle is shaded. Find the quantity also. See A bit, this full 100%. The 100% they divided 4 parts. 1 part they shaded. So 100% if we divide 4 parts, each part is 25, 25, 25, 25. So shaded part is how much the percentage they shaded? 25%. B bit, dash percentage of 200. That means the circle full is 200. So if we divide 4 parts, 200 if we divide 4 parts, each part is how much, children? 50, 50, 50, 50. So shaded part is how much? 50, 50. So how much percentage it is? 100%. Now third bit, find 300% of 150. So 300% is 300 divided by 100. Percentage means you have to divide by 100 into 150. So 100 ones are 100, 3s are 300. So 3 into 150, how much? 450 is the answer. If you multiply 3 into 150, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4, 450 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.